I'm looking here, around here, establishment for my business.
Everywhere.
Hmm?
Everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Yeah, I'm looking here. I'm looking for my business. I want to build a business here.
What kind of business?
Pogo. Pogo.
What is
Pogo daw.
Pogo. You know Pogo?
Yes.
What is Pogo?
It's illegal. No, you go to prison.
Hmm?
You go to prison.
Why? Why?
It's not legal. It's illegal.
Really?
Yeah.
Since when? Since when?
Recently.
Oh, really? Pogo?
Yes.
What? Pogo. Yeah, here, Pogo.